Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to download Asphalt 9 on your iPhone 5s. So the iPhone 5s is stuck at iOS 12.5.5, but now you can see Asphalt 9 require at least iOS 13 and later. And now let me show you how to simply download Asphalt 9 on the iPhone 5s. So my iPhone 5s is on 12.5.4. Now to download, what you're gonna do is go into Today View on the App Store, and then you're gonna find your profile, tap on your profile, then go to purchase, and what you're gonna do here, you're gonna search the game, so search for Asphalt 9. There we go, it gonna appear on your purchase history. So this only work for those of you that used to install Asphalt 9 on the Apple ID before. It is going to appear on the purchase section here. Now tap on the download button, and then it should pop up, and it allows you to download the older version which compatible with your version. So now tap on download, and now let's go back. So now I just wait for the game to be downloaded. Now you can see it is actually downloading in my iPhone 5s. So that's how you get Asphalt 9 in 2022 on the iPhone 5s or the iPad with iOS 12. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this one. Then I will see you guys in the next video.